We're super excited about our latest customer review. We work very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away a very satisfied customer. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.